In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use status change automation on monday.com. Let's begin by logging into your monday.com account. Once you've done that, you'll need to select the board you want to automate. Make sure that this board has a status column which helps to categorize progress like to do, in progress, or done. If it doesn't have one, you can easily add a status column by clicking on plus add column followed by status. This is a crucial step as the automation we'll set up relies heavily on the status changes. Now let's head to the Automation Center. You'll find this by clicking on the Automate icon located in the top menu. Once you're there, select Automation Center. Here, you'll discover a variety of pre-made automation recipes, conveniently categorized by use case. If you have a specific need in mind, try using the search bar to find status change automations quickly. In the Automation Center, look for the When Status Changes automation. Here are some common options you might encounter. When a status changes to something, you can set it to notify someone, which sends an automatic alert. Move an item to a group, which helps in organizing items based on their progress. Create an update, which adds an activity note in the item. Archive the item, which is helpful for auto-archiving completed tasks. Create an item in another board, useful for moving or duplicating tasks between boards, and finally change another status to something else, beneficial for linking progress between related columns. Once you've selected your desired automation recipe, it's time to customize it. Click Use this automation. You'll see placeholders like when status changes to done, notify someone. Customize it by choosing your status column like task progress, then select the status label, perhaps setting it to done. Lastly, decide on the action, such as moving the item to a completed group or notifying yourself. Remember, you can chain multiple automations together to manage more complex workflows. After you've configured your automation, make sure to activate it by hitting Add to Board. Your automation will now be active and run automatically whenever a status changes. You can view all your active automations by navigating to Automate and then Board Automations. Next, it's important to test your automation. Return to your board and change an item's status. For example, switch from to do to done. Observe what happens. If your automation is set to notify you, check your notifications. If it's to move the item, ensure it's relocated to the appropriate group. If it's to create an item, verify its creation on the target board. If you encounter issues, make sure your automation is turned on and that the triggers and targets align correctly. Lastly, let's discuss managing or editing your automation. For this, head back to Automate and then Board Automations. There, you can find your automation in the list and either toggle it on or off. Click Edit to adjust triggers or actions, Duplicate to apply it to other boards, or Delete if it's no longer